Hi guys, it's your girl Igbo with Queen TV. You all know what we do in this channel. We teach Igbo language. We introduce Igbo culture, help beginners to learn how to speak Igbo language. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to introduce yourself in Igbo language. Stay tuned, let's go. Ndewono. Ndewono. Hello everyone. Ndewono. Hello everyone. Ndewono. Aha m bụ Igbo with Queen TV. My name is Igbo with Queen TV. Aha m bụ Igbo with Queen TV. Aha m bụ Chiamaka. Aha m bụ Deborah. Aha m bụ Chioma. My name is, that is, aha m bụ, my name is. When somebody sees you and say, hi, what is your name? My name is, that is, aha m bụ. Igbo person sees you outside and asks you, aha gị ọ gịnị? Aha gị ọ gịnị is, what is your name? Aha gị ọ gịnị? That is, what is your name? Aha gị ọ gịnị? You understand? What is your name? Aha gị ọ gịnị? And you replying with, aha m bụ Igbo with Queen TV, whatever your name is. Aha m bụ Igbo with Queen TV. Aha m bụ Chioma. Aha m bụ Chiamaka. All is, my name is, you mentioned your name. My name is Chioma. My name is Deborah. My name is Joy. My name is Femi. My name is, that is, aha m bụ Chioma. Aha m bụ Chiamaka. Aha m bụ Deborah. Aha m bụ John. Aha m bụ Timothy. Aha m bụ Chukwuebuka. Aha m bụ, that is, my name is this. Let me start again. What is your name? Aha gị ọ gịnị? What is your name? Aha gị ọ gịnị? Say it with me. Aha gị ọ gịnị? Aha gị ọ gịnị? You not say your name. My name is. Aha m bụ. Aha m bụ. When someone says you say aha gị ọ gịnị, you reply with aha m bụ. That is, my name is. Somebody is asking you, what is your name? And then you reply with, my name is. Ị dị afọ ole? How old are you? Ị dị afọ ole? How old are you? Ị dị afọ ole? Ị dị afọ ole? Now you replying. Adị, that is, I am. Adị m afọ ise. I am 5 years old. Whatever you are. Adị m afọ ise. You understand? Let's start again. Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị? How old are you? Afọ ole ka ị dị? How old are you? I am 5 years old. Adị m afọ ise. 5 is ise. 5 years old. Adị m afọ ise. Or let's put it this way. I am 20 years old. Adị m afọ iri abụọ. Iri abụọ means 20. Iri abụọ. That is 20. Iri abụọ. Iri abụọ. 20. Adị m afọ iri abụọ. I am 20 years. Let's go again. How old are you? Someone, you're asking me now. You're asking me, how old are you? Then I'm replying you. In ajum, you're asking me. In ajum, ask is jo. Jom, ask me. Jom. Now let's say, in ajum, How old are you? Then nna zagi, I'm replying you. Nna zagi, I'm replying you. Nna zagi. Adim afọ Adim afọ abụọ. Adim afọ anyone. You understand? Adim afọ Adim afọ Iri is 10. Iri abụọ is 20. Iri is 10. Iri abụọ is 20. Ise is 5. Adim afọ Adim afọ Adim afọ iri abụọ. That is 20. I will drop the link here or here. You click it on how to count 1, 2, 3 to 100. I'm going to drop it here or here. So you click it, you go watch it. So let's continue. Adim afọ I am 5 years old. Adim afọ I am 5 years old. Ị bụ onye ebe? Where are you from? Ị bụ onye ebe? Someone sees you and say, Nne, ị bụ onye ebe? Where are you from? Ị bụ onye ebe? Where are you from? Now you are replying in aza. You are replying in aza. Awụ m onye Nigeria. Awụ m onye Togo. Awụ m onye Cameroon. Awụ m onye Ghana. Awụ m onye Burkina Faso. Anywhere you come from is awụ m onye. Awụ m onye. That is, I'm from. I'm from this country. I'm from Ghana. I'm from Burkina Faso. I'm from Tunisia. I'm from this. I'm from that. Ị wụ onye ebe? Where are you from? I'm from awụ m onye Ghana. Awụ m onye Nigeria. You understand? Ị wụ onye ebe? Someone asks you a question. Ị wụ onye ebe? Where are you from? Ị wụ onye ebe? Where are you from? Awụ m onye this. Awụ m onye that. Awụ m onye Nigeria. Awụ m onye Ghana. Awụ m onye Tunisia. Awụ m onye Germany. Awụ m onye Italy. Awụ m onye France. Awụ m onye anywhere. You know that's where you come from. That's where they give birth to you. That is, awụ m onye this. Me, awụ m onye Nigeria. Awụ m onye Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Awụ m onye Nigeria. Keebe ibi. Keebe ibi. Now the person has asked you, where are you from? Originally, I am from Nigeria. Now the person asking you, Keebe ibi, where do you live? We know you're from Nigeria, right? Where do you live? Keebe ibi. Where do you live? Do you live in Dubai? Do you live in Italy? Do you live in US? Do you live in UK? Do you live in America? Do you live in Germany? Do you live in France? Where do you live? That's what the person is asking you now. Where do you live? Keebe ibi. It's called Keebe ibi. Where do you live? Keebe ibi. Where do you live? Keebe ibi. Be noting them down in case someone asks you outside. We have said ahambo. Number one we said was ahambo. Deborah, Francisca, ahambo this. That is, what is your name? Ahambo this, ahambo that. We've asked you, where do you live? Where are you from? Ị wụ onye ebe? Ị wụ onye ebe? Now, keebe ibi. Keebe ibi. Keebe ibi. Where do you live? Keebe ibi. Do you have siblings? Ị nwere ụmụnne? Do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne? Do you have siblings? What you're doing is you're introducing yourself. You understand? You're introducing yourself, or someone is introducing herself or himself to you. So when you're asking, after all those ones you asked, do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne? Do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne? I nwere ụmụnne? Do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne? Repeat it with me. I nwere ụmụnne? I nwere ụmụnne? Do you have siblings? I nwere ụmụnne? Ụmụnne nwanyị ole ka I nwere? Do you know what that means? How many sisters do you have? Ụmụnne nwanyị ole ka I nwere? Sisters is nwanyị, ụmụnne. Sisters is ụmụnne. Nwanyị is girls, like woman. Nwanyị is woman. Ụmụnne nwanyị ole ka I nwere? How many sisters do you have? Ụmụnne nwanyị ole ka I nwere? You can say, enwere m ụmụnne. Now you're replying. Enwere m ụmụnne abụọ, 2. Abụọ is 2. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ, 3. Enwere m ụmụnne anọ, 4. Enwere m ụmụnne 10. 10 is iri. I have 10 sisters. I have 1 sister. I have 2 sisters. I have 3 sisters. I have 4 sisters. That's enwere m ụmụnne 4. Enwere m ụmụnne anọ. Enwere m ụmụnne ofu. Enwere m ụmụnne abụọ. Enwere m ụmụnne atọ. Enwere m ụmụnne anọ. Enwere m ụmụnne ise. That is, I have 5 sisters. I have 2 sisters. I have 1 sister. Anyone. But enwere m ụmụnne. This. How many sisters do you have? Now the person is also asking you, how many brothers do you have? Ụmụnne nwoke ole ka I nwere? Ụmụnne nwoke ole ka I nwere? How many brothers do you have? Ụmụnne nwoke ole. Nwoke is man, like nwoke is boys. Nwoke is boy. Nwanyị is girl. Nwoke is boy. Ụmụnne nwoke ole ka I nwere? How many brothers do you have? Ụmụnne nwoke ole ka I nwere? You're asking the person, I nwere nwa? Do you have a child? I nwere nwa? I nwere ụmụ? Or you can just ask the person, I nwere ụmụ? I nwere ụmụ? Do you have kids? You're asking the person, do you have kids? I nwere ụmụ? I nwere ụmụ? Do you have kids? I nwere ụmụ? Do you have kids? I nwere ụmụ? I nwere ụmụ? Now, if you want to now reply, maybe or you nwere ike say, mba, enweghị m ụmụ. No, I don't have kids. Mba, enweghị m ụmụ. No, I don't have kids. Mba, enweghị m ụmụ. Or you can say, enwere m ụmụ. Yes, I have kids. Enwere m ụmụ. Enwere m ụmụ. Is yes. Yes, I have kids. Enwere m ụmụ. Nne gị ọ nọ ya? Is your father there? Nna gị ọ nọ ya? So guys, this is the end of this video. I'm going to leave you guys to learn the little one I've already teach. We'll continue this our introduction in the next video. If you like and enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to share to your family, share to your friends. Bye.